Experiencing Bluetooth connection issues with your Garmin watch, like Phoenix, Forerunner, Venu, or Instinct, you're not alone. As of February 2026, it's a common problem often caused by outdated firmware, interference from other devices, or simple pairing errors. New Garmin watches have enhanced Bluetooth, but the issue persists. This video will guide you through troubleshooting to get your watch synced. The first and simplest solution: restart both your Garmin watch and your smartphone. This resets their Bluetooth stacks. After restarting, forget the Garmin watch in your phone's Bluetooth settings. Then open the Garmin Connect app and repair the devices. This often resolves connection glitches stemming from mismatched device codes or expired pairings. Outdated software is a major culprit behind Bluetooth connectivity issues. First, ensure you have the latest version of the Garmin Connect app from your app store. Step 1. Update the Garmin Connect app. This ensures compatibility and bug fixes. Step 2. Within the app, check for and install any available firmware updates for your Garmin watch. The update process may take a few minutes. Garmin's Q1 2026 update, version 26.x for compatible devices, specifically includes patches for Bluetooth pairing failures on newer Apple devices, significantly reducing dropouts. Garmin Connect requires location permissions to function properly, particularly on Android devices. These permissions allow the app to access location services for accurate tracking and syncing. To enable location permissions, open your phone's Settings app and navigate to the Garmin Connect app permissions. Make sure location access is turned on. Next, ensure Bluetooth is enabled and set to discoverable on both your phone and your Garmin watch. This allows the devices to find and connect to each other. For the watch specifically, check if there's a Bluetooth visibility or pairing mode setting in the watch's menu that needs to be activated for initial connections. Bluetooth operates on the 2.4 GHz frequency, which can be crowded by other devices sharing the same wireless space. This frequency is shared with many other wireless technologies, leading to potential interference. Sources of interference include Wi-Fi routers, other Bluetooth devices like headphones and speakers, and even household appliances such as microwaves. Try moving to a different location, away from potential sources of interference, to see if it improves the connection. Switching the watch to low power mode can help prioritize the connection and reduce interference. Within the Garmin Connect app, try using the Sync Now feature to force a data transfer. If that doesn't work, consider resetting your phone's network settings: Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, cellular. Note, this will erase saved Wi-Fi passwords, so be prepared to re-enter them. This clears out any conflicting network configurations. As a last resort, consider a factory reset of your Garmin watch. This will erase all your data and settings, so back up important information first. After backing up, perform the factory reset on your watch. This process may take a few moments. Once reset is complete, repair the watch with your Garmin Connect app to restore the Bluetooth connection. Alternatively, use the advanced features in Garmin Connect app version 5.0 or higher. The Smart Pair feature uses AI to optimize Bluetooth connections automatically. The Fix-It tool can auto-detect Bluetooth issues and apply repairs, often resolving problems without manual intervention. Garmin is actively working to improve Bluetooth connectivity for a smoother experience. Expect to see more AI-assisted fixes in the future, where the Garmin Connect app automatically diagnoses and resolves Bluetooth issues. By 2028, Garmin watches may adopt Bluetooth 6.0, eliminating connection drops through ultra-low latency technology. For the latest updates, always check Garmin's official website or the Garmin Connect app.